How to reset your finances if you've had a rough time in 2025. We are almost at the end of 2025. If you're like most Kenyans, you are probably hopeful that this year would be better. But life doesn't always go as we plan. If you are ending 2025 financially broken, here are 5 ways you can execute a financial reset. First, do a reality audit. Money problems often start with avoidance. You don't want to look at the bank statement, the mobile loan interest, or why your business failed. Facing your problems, however scary, is the starting point. This reset requires an honest audit of your entire financial situation, not just debt, but where you spent money, why your savings didn't grow, and what high-cost commitments you have. The second one is no more non-essential spending. The reset is about survival and redirecting resources. Every shilling wasted slows your recovery. Try a zero-tolerance spending rule for all non-essentials. If it's not rent, food, transport, or mandatory debt repayment, it doesn't exist. This includes subscriptions, impulsive food delivery, and just this once socializing. Number 3, get your priorities right. Avoiding conversations makes every problem worse, whether it's the landlord or your bank. Have the difficult money conversations now. If you are defaulting, apologize, commit to a timeline, and follow through. You can't pay everyone at once, so be strategic. You still need somewhere to sleep even as you pay your debts. It also makes sense to start by paying off the high interest debt. Number 4, find any income, no matter how small. Not having enough cash flow is often the biggest barrier to recovery. You need immediate short-term money now to stop the borrowing cycle. If you already have a job, do everything to protect it. Still, look beyond your main job. Sell what you don't need, like clothes or old electronics. Take up side hustles that do not compromise your main job. Every shilling you make pushes you out of the financial hole. Lastly, focus on having an emergency fund. Even on survival mode, focus on having a small cushion that prevents you from falling back into the cycle of borrowing for small emergencies. This could even be 500 shillings that you lock in an MMF or a savings account for a rainy day. Your new goal should not be to get rich, but to never feel financially helpless again. You don't have to wait until New Year's. Start making a plan today. For this and more finance tips, we have a partnership with Lua. Lua is a free AI assistant on WhatsApp that can help you schedule meetings, summarize long documents, make meal plans, and even apply for a business loan from Numida. Visit money254.co.ke to apply for your business loan today.